is Monday, July 1st. It's actually a national holiday, so I don't go into the studio, but I do have one class later today. And other than that, I start work tomorrow. So since I start work tomorrow, I'm gonna prep for that, but we also leave for our vacation tomorrow night. So I wanna pack everything just to make sure everything's like done and ready and I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to pack up all the stuff that I'm bringing on vacation today. And by the time this vlog goes out, I'll probably be coming back home from said vacation. That being said, I'm still going to vlog as much as I can on the vacation and hopefully get that vlog out the week when I get back. But like I said, I just made the bed. I'm gonna pack everything to take to the cottage. And we're just going up north to a cottage, Steve's parents' cottage. So I need a bathing suit. I need bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna start packing. I always end up overpacking. I don't know what it is, but I always end up overpacking the clothes, especially. I think it's because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear this cute outfit or this top or this skirt or this brand new thing I just got. And I end up wearing almost the exact same thing every single day, especially because it's like a cottage and we're not really like going anywhere. We're just lazing about. So I usually wear sweatpants and a tank top or a t-shirt every single day. I don't think I ever wear leggings when I'm there. I think I just wear the same like shorts every single day. The first year I wore shorts almost every day, but I don't fit those shorts anymore. So I need a new pair of jean shorts, but everything's closed today since the holiday. So I'm just gonna pack a bunch of like comfy clothes, skirts, and yeah, sweatpants obviously. Okay, so I think I'm nearly done picking out the things I'm probably gonna wear and I'm just gonna like filter through. So definitely my 1989 Taylor's version sweater because there are gonna be some chilly nights. I looked at the weather forecast and we're supposed to get like a bunch of rain on the first day that we're there. So I just wanna have comfy clothes to make sure that I'm not gonna be chilly. And this is one of my favorite sweaters of all time. And I roll her, put her away. Also the skirt is one of my favorite skirts. And if it's like a nice warm day by the water, I also love it as a cover up just because it's like super comfy and it's lightweight and it's long enough where I never have to worry about flashing anyone. So that's nice. I'm gonna pack this guy away. This away. I also have this set that I kind of want to wear just because it's like, I don't know, it's cute. It goes together. It's very beachy. Probably I'm not gonna wear it, but I'm gonna try to force myself to wear it just because it's really cute. And I wore it on my birthday. That's the last time I wore it, but I haven't worn it like aside from that. So that's all good. Also bathing suit, obviously. Got my bathing suit bottoms, just very plain black bathing suit bottoms, nothing interesting. And my bathing suit top from, I think it's from Old Navy or La Vie en Rose. Let's see. From Old Navy. It's not my favorite one just because it always comes undone like at the back. And yeah, so I'm gonna pack a one piece from Zara that I got literally 10 years ago. It's so friggin' old. But I like this one piece just because I never have to worry about it falling off. I'm gonna pack this sports bra just in case it's really hot in some days. I don't think it's gonna be that hot, but you never know. So I'll just pack this sports bra. I also have a pink version that one of my students gave me. She didn't want it anymore, so she literally gave it to me. And then I also have this sports bra that's a little bit more, I don't know, of like a top, I guess. It's a little bit longer than that blue one, so I'll pack that. A lot of tank tops. I've got a lot of tank tops I'm gonna pack. A, for sleeping in if it's really hot to sleep in, or B, wear while we're on the boat to get some sunshine. I can't find my shorts, my Lulu shorts, but I am gonna pack these leggings. I think Steve got them for me. I don't know where from, somewhere random, but they're like really lightweight. So I'm gonna pack these just for when we're on the boat. So I do have something to cover my legs from the bugs. I've also got this tank top from Old Navy. I love to wear. It's one of my favorite things to wear on the boat because again, it is comfy and it covers me from the bugs. I've got this tank top. I feel like I should have ordered it by days, like on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever. I know I skipped Tuesday, but Tuesday's the day we're driving, so I don't really care. Oh, my Melanie Martinez top, obviously, gotta pack that. I'm also wearing one right now that I'm probably gonna pack later. I just really love the tops that I got from Hot Topic that are the Melanie Martinez merch. Wow, this is already getting pretty packed. Pair of sweatpants for cold, chilly nights in case we like go by the fire or we just wanna go sit on the dock. I should pack some long sleeve tops as well. I don't think I packed any of those yet. Just a t-shirt. Oh, with some stuff on it, that's okay. It's just floofs. T-shirt, blue t-shirt. I feel like I wear this every year with a pair of shorts. Again, I can't find my Lulu shorts, but I do have a pair of biker shorts I'm gonna pack just in case I want to go on like a walk, but it's really hot. My Lululemon Align leggings, obviously I always pack these too because I usually wear them on the drive up, so maybe I'll have them unpacked. Nah, it's fine. My studio pants are pretty thick, so I'm debating packing these. I may as well. They don't take up that much space. Just throw those in there. Another sports bra like top to wear just because it's comfy cozy. More sports bra tops that go underneath the tank tops. Put those in there. And my Lululemon Align tank I should pack because it is more of a tank and I can wear that again on the boat. And I have so many tank tops in here. I need to go on a hunt for a long sleeve shirt. I do have a long sleeve shirt right here, but it's a cropped long sleeve shirt. I cropped it myself. So it's also one of those materials that smells really bad. It already smells really bad, so maybe I won't. Okay, I had to make sure I packed socks because that's literally the worst thing to forget. Your socks. I'm always the person that forgets socks.
Another thing I wanted to pack for the week was my new nail polishes. The red and the blue sparkly one are brand new, and I wanted to try out the red before I left, so I did my nails quickly before going in to teach, and I am so obsessed with this color.
So I just took a break to paint my nails a little bit. I did them like this red color, and I still haven't packed everything. I've packed most of the stuff that I need, but I haven't obviously packed any toiletries because I need them still tomorrow morning and before I leave, so I'll pack those very last minute. But I think I'm gonna do a bit of a ballet class just to move around because I know I won't be dancing at the cottage. So yeah, I'm gonna throw my shoes. I should sew my shoes, but I just pointed. I just painted my nails, so I'm gonna wait for these to dry a little bit and then maybe I'll sew my shoes, throw them on, and do a pointe class.
I don't know what that little dinosaur T-Rex arm run was, but anyways, sometimes when I watch some of the things that I do and say, I'm like, girl, what are you doing? But oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I did a ballet/pointe class before I left because while I was on vacation, I did what I do best on vacation. I spent lots of time outside, got lots of sunshine, and slept, relaxed, and tried to rejuvenate. Oh my goodness, I can't speak today. I tried to rejuvenate myself for the next few weeks to come because I'm back to work full time, and yes, I had some time off in June and I did laze about and have plenty of time to basically do nothing, but it's different when you're doing nothing on a lake with comfy chairs, with a beautiful view, with the loons doing what they do best, making those loon noises. It was so lovely to be at the cottage, and like I said, I'm happy that I did the pointe class beforehand because I did not do a single exercise there aside from hiking. Steve and I did go on a hike and we did stay active by kayaking, by swimming, by walking around, and it was very, very much needed. But like I said, I'm very, very happy that I did a pointe class beforehand, so when I come back after a week off, I don't feel as what's the word? Out of sorts.
We are going to the beach for lunch, so I'm gonna pack lunch. And I'm already got my bathing suit on. Wow, I can't think. And sunscreen and a towel. Got some pie, got some pasta, some potatoes, some sweet potatoes. I'm just gonna heat a bunch of this up in a container. I know it's kind of a mix, but whatever. Extra pasta and some cukes. Also got some pie. Only I would bring the whole entire bottle of ketchup. Garden update, these tomatoes are getting pretty big. The lettuce is pretty good, actually. I'm gonna harvest some of this tonight to have for dinner, maybe some burgers or something. And peppers are coming in a little bit stronger, still not great, especially not that pepper. But the cucumbers, let's see them. I do see a snail on them, like a little tiny baby snail that we don't want. Just put him somewhere else. The cucumbers are coming in. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's one right back there, as well as somewhere around here. I saw one the other day, but maybe the bunny got to it before I could look at it. Else is trying to sabotage my YouTube video. Get ready to teach because I teach in half an hour. I just showered, did some skincare, and I want to get ready early, even though I don't work like out of the house until later, because I want to pack all of my makeup and toiletries that I'm going to be taking, just so that's already done. But I don't think I'm going to do anything like really on my skin because it's already pretty glowy, but maybe just a little bit, and let's see how it reacts with, ooh, that was a lot of product with this product. But yeah, today is the first day that I'm teaching out of the house again in like a little over a month. So I'm a little bit nervous, but mostly excited because I love what I teach and I love who I teach. So I'm just very excited. That being said, we are leaving for our vacation shortly after I teach. So Steve's actually gonna pick me up at work, and then we're gonna head straight up to his parents' cottage, and we'll probably get there at like 10. And I just realized too, I don't think I'll have any content out the time that I'm there, which is very sad, but it's totally my fault, so I can't blame anybody else but myself, because I had so much time. And did I use that time wisely and like prep stuff to be ready for when I'm gone? Nope. I have one video, but I also don't want to share that video and then have nothing for like a week, so I'm probably just gonna share that video on the Sunday when I get back. But yeah, I don't know when this one's gonna go out. Probably like 2 weeks after the vacation, which is fine. I'm not updating you guys in real time at all as to what I'm doing with my life, but that's okay. It is what it is. It's kind of fun to look back anyways when I'm editing and be like, oh yeah, that was like last week. I forgot I did that thing, or I forgot I saw, like we saw a turtle yesterday. It was so cute, little baby turtle. So adorable. There we go. A little bit of this on too, the tinted serum. It's probably too light now, so I'm just gonna put on my under eyes a little bit. But yeah, like I said, I'm teaching out of the house today, so I want to get everything packed and ready before I go, because Steve's gonna be doing like the closing shift, and our neighbors are coming in and out just to watch over Luna, because Luna hates traveling, guys. So we're actually going to leave her in the care of my friend because she would have the most stressful and miserable time in the car, and it'd be the whole way there, because she just doesn't stop meowing, and I can tell she's stressed. So we're not even gonna bother bringing her anywhere this year. We're just gonna like let my friend take care of her, and my friend loves cats, so it works out well. It works out. There we go. I hope that it stays well. We'll find out soon though. Just a little bit of mascara, and I'm not gonna put that much on because I know I'm gonna sweat most of it off. Feels weird to be getting ready this early, especially since I'm teaching from like 4 until 8 tonight, and I usually don't get ready until way closer to that time, because I don't like wearing makeup like the entire day, because I feel like at the end of the day it gets like not as nice looking. So we'll see. I do want to have this packed though now, and I also have to pack all the food that we're bringing, but that's gonna be more of Steve's job, because I actually can't pack a lot of the stuff that's like frozen or in the fridge. So I might just pull things forward and make a list of things to pack for him. Yeah, and I'm also teaching online right until I leave. I don't know why I overbooked myself today, because I booked myself from 10 until noon, and then from 2 until 3, and I have to leave the house at 3 for work. So the only time I have really is noon until 2 pack, which should be fine. It should be okay. That should be plenty of time to pack and make sure things are ready to go. I'm just so excited to go back into the studio. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. I'll worry about the little mascara bits later. We went kayaking last night too, and it was so tumultuous. Like the waves were just far too much for me. I was not having a good time in the beginning. Like obviously it was a good time, but I was just so stressed. I'm not gonna lie, I was so stressed, guys. I was freaking out that I was gonna tip over, or my kayak was gonna tip over and I was gonna go with it. So it was a little bit more stressful than I would have liked, but we still had fun, and we just kayaked around with our friends. It was awesome. There's my blush. And we got home late, and we had ramen, and what else do we have? Ramen and Nutella, which is good. The ramen that I had wasn't the best, I'm not gonna lie. Mr. Noodles one is always, it's the best ramen. So from now on, I'm just gonna stick with what I know, and that's Mr. Noodles. Mr. Noodles has never failed me. I've never felt unsatisfied with Mr. Noodles. I need to floss too. Got food in my teeth. Some of Steve's family's already up at the cottage, so we are going a day late just because we both had to work. So we'll be meeting them there, and I'll show you guys like the room we have and everything. I'm super excited because we have the room. It's my favorite personally. All of the rooms are gorgeous and beautiful and have special things about them. Like one of the rooms has bunk beds, which is fun. Another room has a nice view of the lake. And the room that we're in has a bathroom attached, and it's on the first floor, so that's really nice. There we go. And that's all I'm gonna do for makeup, and I'm gonna go get ready for my first class this morning, which starts at 10, and it's probably about 9:40.
So on the second day of being at the cottage, Steve and I went rock hounding, and it was right up our alley. If you're somebody who likes crystals, specifically amethyst, this is the thing for you. We went to Princess Sodalite Mines in Bancroft, and then we went for a hike in Eagle's Nest. It was so beautiful and so cool to learn the history. Did you know that all of this behind me was underwater? How wild is that? We got back to the cottage, we rinsed off the rocks, polished them up a little bit, and I think we're going to invest in some actual tools to help polish up our rocks the best, because we found some pretty cool ones, such as some amethyst, some sodalite, some quartz. I could go on and on. Let me know if you want me to explain the crystals in the next vlog. I can show you everything that we got. Steve and I had a Harry Potter themed dinner, and that's pretty much it for the rest of the week. We saw lots of loons, we swam lots, we went on lots of boat rides, and overall it was an incredible vacation. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, happy summer, and for now, bye!